Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can see the people who viewed your TikTok profile. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to see the people who viewed your TikTok profile, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your TikTok. And after opening your TikTok, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, you will be able to see this footprint icon here at the top beside your menu. So this icon is where you can see who viewed your TikTok profile, so just go and tap it. And after that, this page will appear. In case you haven't enabled the feature to see who viewed your profile yet, just turn it on to enable the feature. And after enabling it, it's done. Congratulations, you will now see the people that will view your TikTok profile starting now. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.